They're just blank. That's weird. Is their index quit or something? They're just... Oh, maybe if we hear the EONs, if this is a weather alert. They're just off the air. Oh, that's strange, actually. Wow. They're just gone. They're off the air. That's weird.
It's still up.
They're just gone. What the heck? That's so weird. I'm gonna leave this here. This is weird. Now the rest of them are doing it. Whoa.
Last pricing valid.
They're doing it too. No. Oh, there it goes. At least theirs work. Okay, so 107.3 is the only one that works. Why?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Harris County in west central Georgia, western Muskogee County in west central Georgia, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Good. Oh, they're still off.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
There's
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbus, Bridge City, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Fortson, Laurel Hills, Kenwood, Flat Rock, Edgewood, Green Island Hills, Highland Park, Rose Hill, Vista Terrace, Mulberry Grove, St. Mary's Hills, Avondale, Midland, Cotulla, Benning Park, and Carter Acres. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Broadcasting from the FFC studio, WGCQ.
I think these guys have broken index, or whatever they have, because they're just sitting silent. That is so weird. I might upload this video just whole, because this is really strange. I don't know anything about FM EAS. I know they have like decoders and encoders there, so I guess these stations do not have them apparently, because 107 was the only one. So I guess these. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I guess they're supposed to be like. Yep. Safe. Yep. Yeah.
Laurel Hill.
Just like that. Okay. Hey, shut up. Shut up. Okay. No, it's copyright. Copyright. Okay. So I don't know anything about FMEAS, but I think they have like index there. And well, I guess those two, or those three, were not working. I might upload this video as whole because that was a pretty weird experience. So there you go. There's an EAS and like 3 failed EASs. So there you go.